Hi FabFitFun friends, I'm Katie. I'm one of the co-founders of FabFitFun and welcome back to Behind the Box. So this is gonna be a deep dive into how we curated the box to give you the ultimate fall experience. So our theme this season is color outside the lines, and it's all about getting outdoors, exploring, and having a great time. That said, if you do wanna stay comfy and cozy with your family and friends at home, we've got that for you too. So as you guys know, things have changed a little bit at FabFitFun. Now there's so many products in every box, so many different ways that you can customize it to make it uniquely yours. So we're not gonna go through every product, but if you do wanna check out every single item in the fall box, just head over to Customize Close-Up and we will hook you up. So our first theme is explore, all about getting outside to enjoy the outdoors. It could be in your backyard, it could be when you're traveling, everything goes. So the first item we have is this adorable fold-up backpack from APL. Yes, this is a backpack. I know it doesn't seem like a backpack, but that's why it's so cool for traveling. APL is a Los Angeles-based brand. It's all about the hybrid between luxury and performance, and this backpack is a great example of it. So you kind of just unfold it, and you get this, oh my gosh, and it matches my dress. That's such a coincidence, who knew? But see, it ends up turning into, it's like a transformer. It turns into this great backpack. It has tons of pockets to keep you organized. And of course, you can bring it with you on your travels. It doesn't take up any space, so it's super easy, and I am a huge fan. So next up, we have this very cute collapsible cup from Stojo. It's great for any kind of travels, hiking, etc. So it's really neat. Just take this little guy off, pump it in, throw this guy in, and it's super easy. It comes with 4 silicone straws. We don't need to keep throwing away plastic water bottle after plastic water bottle. I love the colors for fall, and just throw it into the backpack, and off we go for our amazing hike. So sticking with the sort of sustainable, reusable theme, we have this very cute lunch bag from HIP. We go through so much waste when we are using paper bags every single day. And so these guys are really gonna help save the environment, not to mention super cute. You can pack all of your snacks and you are good to go. You know, I think we're all about wellness more than ever. We wanna stay healthy, we wanna stay fit. And that's why I gotta tell you, I am obsessed with this jump rope. I don't know if you guys know, but jump roping is actually one of the exercises that burns the most calories per minute. So you don't need to do a ton of it to get your workout on. And this guy is great because it's a super high-end jump rope from Camp Gladiator. It has these foam handles that make it very comfortable. And what I love is that the jump rope also comes with 3 months of access to their incredible live workouts. So it's really easy to use. You don't even have to know how to do anything. And it's an easy way to get your fitness on at home or when you are on the go. So last but not least, we have this incredibly cute baseball hat from Cocus Pocus. It is a great female-founded brand. What I love is that it's in this plaid pattern that is perfect for fall. One of the other things that I love is that you guys, our members, have been asking specifically for a baseball cap forever. So we're really excited to bring it to you this season. It's also great for hiking because it keeps the sun out of your face, which we know we all need to avoid any of those wrinkles. And it's just incredibly cute. Into the backpack it goes, and you guys are ready to explore. So now we're gonna head into a few of my favorite hair care choices in the fall box. You guys always want more hair products, and this season we have some great choices that really allow you to embrace your own sort of natural hair texture, which I love. So first up, we have this really wonderful curl gel from Pattern. Pattern was founded by Tracy Ellis Ross. She is an amazing actress and activist, and this gel is really great if you have extra curly or coily hair. It's infused with a ton of different oils, so it really takes away all of that frizz to leave a really beautiful natural finish. Next up, we have this really fun mask bundle from Fekkai. Both of these guys are great if you have any kind of damaged or color treated hair. You know, first up, we have the Technician Color Treatment, powerful flash mask. No matter what kind of hair color you have, blonde, black, red, purple, or anything in between. This is great for just restoring your hair health. And then we have the Super Strength Roots to End Balm. And this is great if you use a lot of heat in your hair. So whether it is your blow dry brush or your curling iron or just your hair dryer, this is great for really bringing those ends back to life. Next up, we have the CAVIAR Anti-Aging CC Cream from ALTERNA. You guys probably know CC cream is great for your skin. Well, this guy is also great for your hair. As we age, our texture starts to change a little bit. This is also really good if you have any sort of coarse or dry hair, and it's great for adding moisture, shine. It's a favorite at Ulta, and I'm really excited for you to check it out. Last but not least, we have another duo from amika. You guys know amika, you love amika. It's been in past boxes. It's actually a FabFitFun fan favorite. And what I love about this duo is that it's great for any hair type. So if you have thin, oily hair, all the way to dry, coarse hair, this is just a really great shampoo and conditioner. I'm sure you guys know hair health is all about restoring your hair bonds. And this stuff is great for strengthening hair. It adds shine, it adds depth. It's really beautiful and it smells great as well. So I can't think about fall without thinking about fashion. And here are a few of our favorite style pieces that'll help you channel your inner fashionista. First up, we have this adorable belt bag from Amanda Uprichard. I love the quilted finish. It actually comes in a standard and a plus size. The belt is adjustable to fit around your waist. It has great pockets, again, to keep you organized. And I know fanny packs were a thing back in the 80s, but I have to tell you, they are back just in a much more chic, stylish way. And they're great if you're running around town, you don't wanna carry all of your stuff in a big bag, or if you have kids and you wanna keep your arms free. These belt bags are a lifesaver. And I mean, honestly, how chic is this guy? Next up, we have these very cute boot socks from FRYE. You guys may know I'm obsessed with boot socks. I love the way they peek out of your boot on the top. It's actually a duo, so a set of two, and it's made of this really unique bamboo fabric. It's silky but warm, so it keeps you cozy, but it's super breathable at the same time. So really great for the transitioning seasons. Last, but certainly not least, we have this amazing set from Coach. It is obviously a jewelry set from one of the world's most luxurious style-forward brands. It comes with this gorgeous open circle necklace and these rose T studs. And I love it because it can dress up an outfit. You can wear it with jeans. It's just a really classic set that goes with anything and adds a pop of sparkle to your outfits. Home is where the heart is, and this collection is all about sprucing up your home with a few really beautiful modern essentials that are gonna make you feel all warm, fuzzy, and cozy. First up, we have the Golden Rabbit Cobalt Dutch Oven. You guys may have seen this sitting in my kitchen for many months now, and I know you guys have been asking for it, and I'm super thrilled to finally be able to put it into the fall box. I mean, what can I say? It's adorable and beautiful, but also super functional. We've been using it for the past few months to make all sorts of soups and side dishes, and it just adds such a beautiful color to my kitchen stove. Next up, we have this 8-inch fry pan from Phantom Chef. I love the blue color. It matches perfectly with the Dutch oven, but more than that, it's really a beautiful pan. It is a non-stick finish that makes cooking and cleanup really easy. I actually gave it to one of my friends who isn't a big cook, and one of the things that he said was that, oh, this is why I've never been a great cook. I just didn't have the right cookware. So I was really happy that he was so impressed thanks to this little fry pan. Next up, we have this jewelry catch-all from Two Bandits. I love it. I don't know about you guys, but my jewelry never stays organized. I always put it in the weirdest of places all over my house and can't find it. So this guy keeps everything super organized. It's clean, modern, and a great accent for any bedroom. Lastly, we have this beautiful woven blanket for ARHAUS. It's actually gigantic. I never know what to do when we have these giant blankets because basically you can't see me, but I want to show you guys how just gigantic and cozy it really is. The waffle texture is also a huge trend this year, and we loved the olive green. We felt it just sort of screamed fall, and I love the way that it looks on my couch. That's it for Behind the Box. We went into some of our favorite products, but that's not all of them. As a reminder, you can go up to Customize Close-Up and see everything that you can choose from in your fall box. One of the things that I'm also always super proud of is that every season we partner with a nonprofit. This time we're partnering with Art in Action to bring kids access to art in classrooms across the US. It's really important because we know that when kids, do have access to art, it inspires creativity, leadership, and just become better humans. The other thing that I have to mention, this season we have 37 female-founded brands in our box. I'm incredibly proud. We love being able to lift up other incredible women. So guys, I hope you love your fall box as much as I do. Be sure to comment, tell us what you're excited about, tell us what you're gonna pick. And of course, if you're not a member, you can sign up at FabFitFun.com. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you next season. Bye for now.